Welcome everyone. It's Friday afternoon, evening. What's everyone doing? It's awful cold here. If you hop on here, tell me what everyone's doing. What are you doing on this cold, wintry night? We're getting a little bit of snow here. What's it doing there? If anyone hops on here, just tell me what you're doing. How cold is it there? How are you staying warm? I'm not a really cold weather person, so I can't wait for it to start sun shining again. Well, tonight we're going to, who's tired of all that toxic load in your house? You know, what I've been trying to do is reduce all the harmful chemicals that I'm exposed to on a regular basis and teach everyone how to do it as well. So tonight we're going to be doing something really super simple. And I need to get one oil. And it is the Purify. Okay. So we're going to be using Purify tonight. So what we're going to do is make some toilet pods. Super simple and very easy to make. So why don't we get started? Now, if anyone has any questions, just post them and I'll answer them for you. So again, we're going to be using our Purify. This is one of our strongest blends. So we're going to take some baking soda. And I'm going to show you the finished product as well. So we're just going to take like a cup of baking soda. And what you're going to actually do, you want this mixture to be kind of like wet sand. So you're just going to take a cup of baking soda, and then you're going to take a fourth a cup of citric acid. So again, if you hop on, just give me some love and tell me hi and what you're doing on this cold night. Tell me how the roads are where you're at. And so we're just taking a fourth a cup. And then what we're going to do is actually take, so what I like to do is get the pure castor soap, and I like to get it with no, you'll see it with different essential oils, but, you know, guys that, you know, don't trust that, get the pure. Because some of the products out there with so-called pure essential oils, they're full of synthetics. So unless you are going to test the product and make sure that there's no synthetics, just get the plain unscented, and you add your own essential oils. So I like to do 2 tablespoons of the castor soap. Again, it's pure, unscented. This bottle's almost empty. Okay. The recipe actually calls for a tablespoon and a half, but I like to do 2 tablespoons. And again, we're just looking for the consistency of wet sand. And so we're going to take the Purify, and we're going to put about 20 drops of Purify. Recipe calls for 15, but I like to make it a little extra stronger. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know. Tell me your hi, what you're doing. And simply, guys, that's it. You just stir it up. And what we're going to do is put it in like a silicone, like something that you would make mold. So something that you make like cookies with, brownies, and what have you. So you just mix that up. Again, we're looking for wet sand. When we're making these DIY projects, it's simply, learning the right consistency of what we're looking for. So it just takes a couple times, between the dishwashing pods and the toilet pods and the different things, the shower bombs and the bath bombs, what type of consistency that you're actually looking for. And if you have any questions when you try to make it, just shoot me a text or message me and I'll help you do that. If you don't have the oil, we can definitely get you the oil as well. Again, the Purify is one of our strongest blends. It just smells incredible. And you can just, get creative with this. So simply, okay, so this is the silicone little thing that I'm actually using. And that is the consistency. So if you guys can see the consistency there. It's just, literally, it's just like wet sand. So, it literally, if you put your hands in it, it literally feels like wet sand. And so simply, once that's good and mixed, you just take a little bit and you just start, I like to pack it really well. So you just simply pack these in here, and then you let, I like to, you know, the recipe calls for like 4 hours. I like to let it set overnight. So, I mean, that's as simple as it is. I mean, it's not hard at all. And you just go through these here and pack these. Do you have any questions? I mean, how simple was that? So we're just going to go through here and pack these real quick. It doesn't take long at all. And then you just set it aside, let it dry. And so, Judy, if you see these are excellent. You don't have a dishwasher, but these are incredible. This recipe is going to be incredible for your toilets. So I expect that, you know, you're going to have fun making these. So simply, you just pack these in here. You can ask some questions, and I'll actually answer them right now while I'm finished packing these. Again, tell me where you're from. Tell me if you've ever tried to make these. Tell me if you're tired of all those harmful chemicals in your home. Do you realize how that's actually affecting your body as well as your family's body? So who's ready to actually make that plunge and start eliminating some of those toxins in your home? I mean, see how easy this is? And literally, I'm almost done. I mean, how simple is that? So I like to make them pretty full and really pack them in good, so when I take them out, literally, they're good to go. So, we're just going to do a few more. I hope everyone's having fun tonight. Are you ready for that Super Bowl on Sunday? Do I have any football fans out there? Who's your favorite team? So if you want to know, like, if you're out there, if you're going to make some really cool, fun snacks for Super Bowl, do I have anyone that's going to use essential oils? Do you know how to use essential oils when you're cooking? It's super fun, super easy, and you're going to add that health benefit to your dishes. Are you interested in learning how to add essential oils to some of your cooking? One of the easiest ways to get started that I like to do is simply, you know, add some citruses to your water. I mean, that's very simple. Okay, guys, that's literally it. So, because I'm a little OCD, I actually like scraping it off too, so I don't have any rough edges. And you can just tap them in another container and literally make them all perfect when they come out. So do I have any questions? Who's ready to make one of these? Do I have any takers? Just make sure that they're nice and packed, nice and tight. And simply, guys, that's it. You just set these aside. I like to set them overnight. And you don't have to scrape off the top, but, you know, my tendencies of, you know, making them really even gets the best of me. So, oh, those smell incredible. So I just want to show you what these actually look like. And so you just put them in a sealed container. You can get these really cool stickers that you can write chalk on them and literally just so you know what they are. And simply, here's the end product. See, how cool is that? And you just throw them in your toilet, watch them fuzz because of the citric acid. Smell that Purify. You get the benefits as you're using some of the products, and you're good to go. So how cool was that? Again, just let them set overnight, and you're set. And then you can work on some other, nice little DIY projects in the home to like really reduce that toxic load. So if I have any questions, just leave those questions, share my video, give me some love. And if you want to know how to reduce even more inside your home, just leave me a message or private message. You can leave a comment. Or if you're ready to get started on essential oils to help with your wellness and your health and your family's health, just also leave me a message. Or if you want a business opportunity, leave me a message on that as well. So I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you soon. Again, just give me some love, and I'll see you soon. Tag me or leave me a comment on any questions that you may have or other projects that you might want to see, and I will hop on here and teach you how to do it. Bye. Have a wonderful evening.